This thing is a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a shape that has two parallel sides, and we call those the bases, and then two sides that aren't parallel. So it can look like this. It can look sort of like a parallelogram, but a little more wonky. Um, but what we want to do in this problem is find the area. One of the easiest ways to do this is to cut the thing up, because when you cut it into a rectangle, it leaves two right triangles. And we know how to find the area of a rectangle, and we know how to find the areas of right triangles. If we add all of those pieces together, we're going to get the area of the trapezoid. So let's try that with this one. They've conveniently already cut it for us. So all we really have to do is count the units and do the multiplication. So this rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 3. So that's 18. And then remember the formula for a triangle, the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. So here the base would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and the height is 3. So 1/2 times 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. When you multiply something by 1/2, it's the same as dividing by 2. So 12 divided by 2 would be 6. So this one is 6. And this one is a length of 2, or a base of 2, and a height of 3. So 1/2 times 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Divide that by 2, you get 3. So this one is 3. And now we just have to add all that together. So 18 plus 6 plus, 3. Let's see, 6 and 3 is 9, and 18 and 9 is 27. And then it looks like we just need to fill in all of our sub answers down here. So the area of the rectangle was 18. Area of the triangle on the left, that one was 3. On the right was 6. And the whole figure was 27 square units. Let's try that again. There's a lot of steps there, so hard to keep track of. So this is a trapezoid. It might not look like the trapezoids you're used to, but it has one set of parallel sides. Those are the bases. And then these two other sides, it makes it look kind of like a parallelogram, but it would only be a parallelogram if those two were exactly parallel, and they're not. So this is actually another form of trapezoid. And we're going to find the area in the same way. We're going to cut it into a rectangle and some triangles and add them all together. So let's look at the rectangle first. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess that's a square. So 4 times 4, that's 16 square units. Now let's do the triangle on the left first here. So the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the height is 4. So 1/2 times 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Divide that by 2, you get 10. So that one's 10. And then this one is 1, 2, 3 by 4. So we have 1/2 times 3 times 4. And 3 times 4 is 12. Divide that by 2, you get 6. So that one's 6. So the area of the rectangle is 16. Area of the triangle on the left is 10. Area of the triangle on the right is 6. And the whole thing together, 16 plus 10 plus 6, that's 16 plus 16, that's 32 square units. And that is some work with finding the areas of trapezoids.